Okay, folks, here we go. Now, this one it says a Norman window, and you got to know this, guys, because we talk about Norman windows all the time. I don't know why. The reason that we do is because it's a combination of two shapes. You can see that this is a rectangle. Okay. You can see that this is a rectangle, okay, which I know how to find the area of, and it's also a semicircle. All right. And the great thing about a semicircle is if I find the area of the whole circle, I just divide it by 2 and I've got the area of a semicircle. Okay? So this says a Norman window is a window that is a rectangle capped by a semicircle, as shown. Find the area of the window to the nearest hundredth of a square foot. Now guys, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the area of this rectangle. And that's just 6.25 times 4, and that's going to be 20, okay, I know what I don't know what that is. 125, is that right? Okay. 25. All right, so the area of the rectangle is 25 feet squared. Okay, now I need to find the area of this circle. Now to find the area of a circle, I'm going to use pi r squared. And I know for pi I'm going to use 3.1416. That's the approximation that we're using. But I need to know the radius. Well, wait a minute. Down here at the bottom of this rectangle it says the distance across is 4. That means that the distance across this is also 4. But that would be the diameter of that circle. I don't want the diameter of that circle. I want the radius, which is half of that, which is 2. Okay? So now I'm going to plug in 2, and I'm going to get 3.1416 times 4, because I squared the radius. I'm going to use my old trusty, and I'm going to get 3.1416 times 4, and that is 12.5664. All right, now that's the area of the whole circle. But we don't have the whole circle. We only have half of this circle. So I'm going to divide that by 2, and it gives me the area of that semicircle as 6.2832. Now, if that's the area of the semicircle, and 25 is the area of the rectangle, then I'm going to get 25 plus 6.2832, right? There are zeros up there. So then I'm going to get 31.2832 feet squared. But this problem asked us to round to the nearest hundredth. So I need to block off 2 places, and I'm going to get that the area is approximately 31.28 feet squared. All right? Good job, guys. You're ready for your homework. Go get on it.